Hey you guys, so it's been a little while since I've done a grocery haul, so I thought I'd do one today. But first, I am actually headed to get my hair cut. I think it's been about 4 months since I last had it cut, and it just seems to grow so fast. And I've just realized I really like a shorter cut. So I'm going to do that first, and then I have a few other errands I'm going to run, and then I'll swing into Aldi. So I will see you guys when I get done in my appointment here. And yeah, let me get in there. I'm running late.
1 hour later.
Hey you guys, so I am all done with my hair appointment, and yay, it's shorter again. So I didn't have time to have him wave it for me, put some texture in it. So now I am going to head to do a few errands, and then I am going to head to Aldi, and I will see you guys in just a little bit once I get back home. Okay, bye. All right, you guys, so I am back, and I did swing into Dollar Tree mainly to look to see if they have their Christmas decorations out yet. But while I was there, I did pick up a few items. So they had a few name brand things there. So I picked up some of the Zesta crackers, some Ballpark hamburger buns, and some Sara Lee bread. I thought $1.25 for each of those was a really great deal, so I went ahead and just got those there. And then over at Aldi, I picked up 2 dozen eggs, and we tried these scallop crackers, the garlic flavor, a few weeks ago, and everybody really loved them. So I picked up another box of those. I got some pork rinds. I'm hoping to make some keto puppy chow or muddy buddies. I saw a recipe for that online, so I'm going to try that out, see what it's like. And my daughter loves spinach pizza, so she went with me, and she saw these spinach mini pizzas, so I picked those up for her to try. We still have a bit of fruit and veggies from last week we need to use up, so I only got 1 pack of strawberries, 1 tomato, some bananas, some spinach, 1 bag of sweet butter, and some onions. Then picked up 8 yogurt, a thing of salted butter, some chicken breast sandwich meat, some sharp cheddar cheese, some bacon, and I saw this English cheddar, so I had to pick that up to try it out. Got some pepperonis. I like to snack on these with the cheese throughout the week. Picked up some ricotta and spinach raviolis to go with the flounder for dinner this week. I thought I'd do like a spinach cream sauce with those raviolis and have that with the flounder. And then my daughter wanted some shrimp fettuccine alfredo, so I'll make that for dinner one night this week. Picked up some sour cream, and we're going to have some vegetable beef soup. So I got 2 things of mixed vegetables. Picked up some heavy cream, some tomato juice for the soup, some milk, and they had their bakery chocolate chip cookies on sale for $2 a pack. So I picked that up. And that is everything I picked up for the week. I have ground beef and chicken already in the freezer from last week. So we'll have a night where we'll do burgers, and then we'll have the vegetable beef soup, the fish and ravioli, and then the shrimp Alfredo. And there should be plenty of leftovers from the soup, so that'll carry us through a couple days. So I hope everyone has a great week ahead, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.